am not kidding when I tell you it is the hottest day of the year. And I don't think I would jump on camera for any other brand than Glossybox. Because that's right, I have a brand new Glossybox to unbox with you. It's completely sealed, so let's open it up together. I don't even know how to get into this. I don't know if this is just me, but it still blows my mind that a Glossybox no longer comes in the classic pink Glossybox box. However, the contents are still banging, so let's get into it. So the first thing I've got is actually the most expensive thing in the box, and this is by a brand called What's In It For Me. And this is a body lotion which contains essential oils of cedarwood and bergamot to alleviate stress and rejuvenate, plus lemon oil and sea salt to brighten skin and evoke coastal scents. And you know I've got to give this a go, right? So here it is. Ah! Okay, so it smells really good. It's quite a light lotion, which I honestly do really like because a little goes a long way. And you know those body butters that just take a really long time to apply? It just feels like too much effort and then it like makes your clothes stick to your skin. I actually prefer a lighter lotion because I'm more likely to use a lighter lotion day in, day out. Okay, that smells absolutely stunning. I applied way too much. A little really does go a long way. That's gorgeous. I'm excited for that one. Next up, one of my favorite brands ever. This is Molten Brown, and this is a purifying shampoo and a purifying conditioner. So this duo is perfect for travel, perfect for suitcases. Each one is 50 mils, which is enough for about 3 to 4 applications. These would normally cost £7 each. And as you'd expect, they smell incredible. Now I have 2 items left to show you, and I think I'm gonna go for this one next. This is, oh my God, it's so hot that like my hair is sticking to my face and to my lipstick. But the next item that we have is a Glossybox branded beauty sponge. I absolutely love these. I've had them before. I think they're brilliant. For me, I just think there is no better way to apply foundation than with a beauty sponge. You literally just hydrate them and then you bounce it all around your face with a bit of foundation. You get a beautiful, even, quite light coverage. You can build it up, but I just find them incredible. I don't love a foundation brush. I don't like doing it with my fingers. I don't even like one of those ones that you like stipple it in like this. For me, nothing works as well as a beauty sponge. No joke. That lotion smells so good. And then the final item that we have is made by Mitchell, and this is his blush. I love the way he puts blush. It's so cute. He is from Manchester, as am I, and there's just something so lovely and charming and heartwarming about the fact that like a good old Manchester boy has like made it in the makeup industry in the way that he has. Anyway, here is the one that I have. I have it in shade Strawberry Cream, and even though I am sweating, I'm gonna just like put a bit on my cheeks and see how it looks, because this looks like such a pretty color. It's a really pretty creamy consistency. Last time we got one of these, I got it in kind of a bronzy color that was just too dark and too bronzy for me. So I am thrilled that this is more of a wearable shade, and I think that looks really pretty. I know I'm really hot, I know I'm really sweaty, I'm probably not doing it justice, but I am thrilled with this. But I think that is a great box. I love Molten Brown, I love the lotion, I love a beauty sponge, and I love the blusher. I think it's an absolute winner of a box. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry I'm so sweaty, but yeah, needs must. What can you do? Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.